What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 25 Week 11 live cop. Now, I'm actually pretty excited about this week because we got the second item that I wanted of this season, not including collabs, just talking about the lookbook items. I did say I only had one clothing item I was going for, but there was kind of like an accessory that I wanted really bad, and today it's finally dropping. It's gonna be that backpack, and I cannot figure out which color I want, if I want the regular cheetah or like the red cheetah. But I think we're going to try to get both because I do see these items reselling. So obviously I don't need both, but I can't decide the color. So I'm going to try to get both and then sell whichever one I don't want. That is primarily the plan for today. There's not much we're going for because I think it's literally just those two bags. Oh wow, the number one most hyped item too is going to be the keychain, which we are going for. We are also going to try to go for the Jesus 5 panel. There's only 2 colorways, so we're going to try to get both. I feel like every single season, only about 1 to 3 hats actually be reselling for really good money. For some reason, I kind of think this is going to be one of the ones from this season, but I could be completely wrong. I've been wrong a lot lately when usually I used to be right with every prediction. This year, I'm not doing so hot, but I do kind of feel like this hat might go for money later on down the road. So we are going to try to go for both of those. I also forgot that this is a collaboration with Timberland, but we are not going to be going for those. I was kind of on the fence on if I wanted the wheat pair, but since I already have the other wheat pair from I think last year, I don't really need to get another one. I was like kind of 50-50 on this collab. I did not like the multicolor one, but I did really like the wheat one. And then obviously the black is just black with the stitching, so nothing wrong with that pair, obviously. Then we just got like a few other items that really aren't anything too crazy. Along with the backpack though, they are going to drop the small messenger bag as well as the mini pouch. And I was really hoping we were going to see some photos of the mini messenger bag, but to my knowledge, no one ever posted a single one, not Supreme or anybody else. So I think we might pass on that, and it actually is extremely far down on the list. It's actually like the 4th to last thing, so that's kind of wild. And then the other 2 things I was maybe considering on getting were going to be the New York leather 6 panel, but I did not realize that was $78. And then the other thing I was thinking about was the rainbow loose gauge beanie, but that actually is the last item on the list for the week, so maybe I should just sit that one out. But like I said, there are 3 total items we're going for: the keychain, the hat, and the backpack. So in total, if we can get all the colors, we're going to try to go for all 5 of these items today. And as usual, I am running a little bit behind, so before we jump right into this live cop, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sutton, and you can also check out my store at the Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of the support. Now let's get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We pretty much got 1 minute left until the drop. I'm always running a little bit behind, so clearly we don't have much time to talk about what happened last week. I'm assuming pretty much everything, wow, that's not sold out though, but I'm assuming everything is sold out that was part of the collab. So that is good to see because we did go for a few of those items. I'm just really hoping we can get this backpack today. I need this thing so bad. I just don't know which color I want, but hopefully we can secure both colorways. And this should be free shipping even if we don't get both colorways. That's pretty much my goal because, you know, I hate paying for shipping. And we just got 4 seconds left and it is 11. Let's go. Not good. What's going on? There we go. That probably cost me some time, to be honest. So we're gonna grab that. Gonna grab that. Going back. Grabbing this. And then we just need the Jesus hat. We just need the Jesus hat. Come on. Come on. Okay, we got both. Now let's go. Come on, let's not get a crazy queue. Ooh, this is not good. This is not good. It's going very slow. Okay, we made it to the queue, but we might be able to get right through. Or not. Oh, that's not good. I think the backpacks are going to sell out. Or at least one of them. Maybe not both. Come on. Oh no, I didn't think there was really going to be that long of a queue. Okay, we're through. We got to hurry up and get this. We got to hurry up and get this. No, something sold out and I can't see what it is. The Jesus hat was the first thing to go? I think that's what it was. I actually have no idea. It did not load. What did I say about that Jesus hat though? Something sold out. Oh no. It's wanting me to refresh. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. We are taking a lot of L's. I think it was the Jesus hat because I'm not seeing it on the side right there. But for some reason, isn't that the exact same number that we had? Some more items are sold out. Oh, guys, we're taking L's. Some items are no longer available. This is not good. Both the backpacks are showing 322. No, are we really not going to get this because it's saying that? Some items are no longer available. I get it. Dang, this is not good. This is not good. I'm refreshing. Now the backpack's probably gone. What even is going on right now? The keychain is gone? Guys, come on. What is this notification that's going on? Okay, everything's sold out except the backpacks. The complete opposite of what I said. Can we get through now? Like, what does this mean? What even was that? I'm still not even through. I don't even have anything. Okay, we had to pay the shipping. Literally, both the bags are there. All that stuff sold out. Is that actually? Wow, what a L on this. I have not seen anything like that in a while. So this Jesus hat, this is probably not really in stock. Okay, maybe it is. And this is still showing? That can't be right. Okay, so they are sold out both. Dang, I was not expecting that at all. So we did get the backpacks, which clearly I guess nobody else wanted. So I was completely wrong on that. I'm not even the new, I'm tripping. That was terrible. That was absolutely terrible. None of the bags sold out, which is crazy. I guess we got no OGs here. I think these had to have sold out. Oh, wow. Okay, that's pretty much sold out. Only the really small sizes. Dang, that is so annoying. I can't believe I didn't get this. And both of the Jesus hats went so quick. Remember what I said? I feel like that hat is going to resell. It's going to be one of the ones that resell this season. We are definitely going to check up on market on this next week. I still thought we were going to be able to get it. I mean, this is just crazy to me. I'll do one last refresh before I end this live cop. Not even the messenger bag sold out, which I think is kind of crazy. So none of the things we got sold out, but that, I mean, that pretty much always happens. Of course, the hats and the keychain are sold out. That is really upsetting, but I guess we could just end the live cop right here. So that was not at all what I was expecting. We did not even get the hats and we did not get the keychain, which I honestly thought, because I did say at the beginning that we were only going to get the hats and the keychains and the bags were going to sell out. Of course, the complete opposite happened. Both the bags sat and we did not get the hats and we did not get the keychain. So I mean, I guess we got the number one item that I wanted, so that's a W. But I am a little bit upset about that. That stupid queue and then the loading. I probably could have got the Black Jesus hat and the keychain if there wasn't all those errors going on. I feel like I've never seen errors like that in a very long time. It just kept popping up. When I edit the video, I'll try my best to see if you guys can see it, because obviously all my information's there where the pop-up was showing up. So I'll try my best to edit it out to show you what I'm talking about. But because of that, I think that's why we did not get the keychain and then the black hat. But overall, I guess I can't be too bummed, because like I said, we primarily wanted the backpack and we did get it. Let me do one last refresh. You guys think it's still there? It's still there. It's still there. Clearly I was wrong yet again. Okay, the red one is sold out, or whatever color you want to consider this, is sold out. So at least something we went for did sell out. But if you enjoyed this video, I got a bunch of other live cops on the channel. I have a playlist on my channel or linked in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. And again, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. I do have a drop coming up here pretty soon. And then you could always check out my store at the Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.